Inwin is an ISO 9001 manufacturer of professional computer chassis, power supplies, digital storage devices, and is the leading provider of enclosure solutions to system integrators worldwide. Founded in 1986, Inwin provides high-quality chassis that conform to all safety requirements as well as unsurpassed customer service. The Inwin Dragon Slayr Micro ATX case is unlike any other Micro ATX case currently on the market because of its very unique styling. It has a dark gray paint finish and much of the case is silver mesh. At the top they include a 140mm exhaust fan with a dust filter. At the front of the case at the very top is one 5¼ drive bay and one 3½ drive bay. Each one of these has a removable drive bay cover, and in each drive bay cover is a removable dust filter. Here's the headphone jack, microphone jack, two USB 2 ports, as well as a USB 3 port. And here's the power button, a recessed reset button, power LED, and hard drive activity LED. The Inwin logo is illuminated in blue, and at the bottom 2 more 5¼ drives can be installed. Both of these drive bay covers can be easily removed, and they both have removable dust filters. Also included is an 80mm intake fan for cooling the internal drives. Up to 4 optional 120mm fans can be installed on the left side panel. Note that each of the fan screw holes have rubber grommets, and this is to prevent vibrations. They also include a large dust filter on the left side panel. And the right side panel has ventilation. At the back of the case at the very top are 3 rubber grommeted holes. 2 are for a water cooling system's tubes to pass through, and the other one is for the USB 3 cable to pass through. Here's where the motherboard's I/O shield plate gets installed, and they include a 90mm exhaust fan. There are 5 ventilated expansion slots, and at the bottom is where a standard ATX power supply gets installed. Also, they include 4 oversized thumb screws, 2 on each side panel. This might be a Micro ATX case, but there's lots of room to work on the inside. Also note the inside is black. And they include a hole on the motherboard tray for the cooler's retention plate, as well as lots of cable management holes. There's one here at the bottom, another couple at the front, and more at the top. They include a large 140mm intake fan at the front of the case. There's a toolless design for all of the drive bays. The bottom cage can accommodate 3 3½ drives or 2 3½ drives and 1 2½ drive. And 1 2½ drive can be installed at the top, just under the external 3½ drive bay. The expansion slots also have a toolless design. Another dust filter is included at the bottom for the power supplies fan. While this is a small case, it still fits full-length video cards. It's possible to fit 1 or 2 ATI HD 5970 video cards with room to spare. At the bottom are 4 feet, and each one has a rubber insert. Finally, have a listen to the stock cooling. This is with all of the included fans running. Note the direction of flow. This case has exceptional air circulation.